how to use Renderforest explainer video, even if you've never made a video in your life. So let's go. Alright guys, back again with another video, and today we will dive a bit deeper into the video creation tool that they have in Renderforest, namely the explainer videos. So before diving in, I just want to show you the different categories that they have. They have animation videos, intros and logos and outros for your YouTube videos. They have slideshows, presentations for corporate or educational or infographics, and music videos. But today we will check out the explainer videos. And how this works is that they have different scenes in different toolkits. For example, this 3D explainer toolkit have 900 included scenes, and how you edit videos with Renderforest is that you combine, match, move around different pre-made templates and scenes, and you put in text, your own videos, and even your voiceover if you want to. So every toolkit has its own set of views, icons, and style, and they have a bunch to choose from. And today we will use the 3D explainer toolkit because it's quite sweet, and all you have to do is create now and it will load up. So there are three ways that you can do this. Either you can add scenes manually from the selection that they have of the 900 scenes that were included in its toolkit. You can load a preset of ready-made stories depending on what kind of idea you have, or you can even just type a script and let Renderforest figure out the best matching scenes for you. And this one is pretty amazing and I will show you. So we will jump into add scene and check it out. So they have a bunch of different scenes that you can choose from real estate, ribbons, contacts, image holders, video holders, family, and so forth. And it's quite extensive. So they have a search functionality. So for example, fishing. There you have fishing, man and woman, easy. So what you do is that you just take the scenes that you want, 1, 2, 3, and insert, and you come into the video editing tool that they have, which is very straightforward, very simple. What you do is that for each scene you will add whatever is required for that scene, and in these 3 slides that we picked there were only text. So let's just add more scenes with a plus button, and maybe we will want some kind of video holder also, like this one. Insert, and you can move around your scenes any way you like. And for example here, your video, you add your video either from a stock footage or media library. And this is also nice that the stock footage is built in. So maybe we want to have a fire truck kind of, just to take something and insert. And here you can view your stock media also and see how it works. Edit it, trim it and crop it a little bit. Done. And there you have it. And this is how Renderforest works with video editing. So everything is templates, everything is ready-made. And if you like to edit in this style, then this is surely for you. Now, I will want to go back. So load preset. Here you have presets ready-made for you depending on what you're after. So they have everything from a marriage proposal if you want to make a video about that, top 5 tools and tips, promotions, website promotion. If you use a ready-made story, they will just combine a bunch of ready-made slides from the library. Now I want to show you the exciting part about this, which is the text editor. So here we have type your script. Now I went ahead and made a script, a quick little script before I started recording this video. So how this works is that you type in line by line what you want to say, and they will match a scene depending on the words per line. And if you want to make some kind of check marks, you want to make this little line over here. So you will see how this works. So how to use Renderforest explainer videos, even if you've never made a video in your life, etc, etc. Generate project and go. And this is how it looks. It populates every scene with your text and tries to match the scene. And here you can see where we put the markings. It made check marks. Dun dun. And for any scene, you can swap them out to another scene if you don't like them with a matching scene. You can add your own scenes and so forth. So let's just see how this works. So you can choose a style, a flat look or a 3D look. I actually like the flat look. And you can go for transitions, fonts and so forth. Transitions with shapes are fine. And you can even choose the color theme for your whole project. I generally like yellow, so I will go with a bit more colorish scene. Generate, and it will generate the colors for all of your scenes like that. And we can also add music, of course. Yeah, it's fine just for demonstrational purposes, but they have a bunch of audio tracks that you can add. And let's export it to a low quality project before even thinking about a high quality, so that we know what we get before we are ready to pay for it. So it's rendering the media right now, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so it's done rendering. Let's take a look at the final product. First line, how to use. I mean, I love how it matches the animation with what you're typing. Step 1. Make a free account, watch a YouTube tutorial. Like this one. Alright, so enough. So this is how you can make videos simply if you have a explainer YouTube channel or for just any purpose really. It's that simple. So if you're satisfied with the end product and you don't feel like you need to go back and edit anymore, you can export it in high HD quality 1080p for 1 credit if you have a subscription plan. And all of your projects are also saved in my videos on your account if you want to modify them later anytime, or if you want to export them, delete them, and just make anything with them. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, but stay tuned because in the next video we will dive into the whiteboard animation in the Create Video tab of Renderforest. So I will see you guys in the next video.